Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger do not sending message problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you simply need to search for the Messenger and you need to update your Messenger application. From here, click on update, and once it is updated, you simply need to go back and open your smartphone settings, and then you need to go into the app management, and then you need to go into the app list, and here you need to search for the Messenger. Okay, and here you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. So once you complete all those steps, you simply need to open Messenger and try to send a message to a person. So let me open up and click on here. So now you can see that voice messages are now sending easily. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.